Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2017 Civic, stock number 24193B. I'm going to start with a walk around of the car on the hoist. We'll have a look at the tires, the suspension, and the brakes. Front tires here are 7/32 of an inch. That's about 70% tread life. And the rear tires, 6/32 of an inch, and that's about 60% tread life. Coming around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. The rear brakes here are fairly new, 90% life left. And as well as the fronts, also about 80% life left. Now I've got the Civic right up on the hoist now so we can have a look underneath. I've checked over the rear suspension, don't have any worn springs or bushings, and we've just replaced the rear shock absorbers. Coming towards the front, we'll have a look at the underbody, make sure there's no leaks in the exhaust. And I've also checked over the front suspension, make sure we don't have any loose or worn tie rods or ball joints. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as the engine intake air filter and the in-cabin pollen filter. And this Civic has just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Civic with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.